I'm worried I'm never gonna have another toenail ever again.
We're going through. Ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Full throttle.
Full throttle.
You gotta go faster, Ash. You gotta go faster.
I'm a mad driver. Crazy. Totally out of control. It was like Harry Potter. It went down and it went in. We went through. Amazing. That was the coolest thing we've ever done. Ben is busy working his ass off.
I've broken like 3 times now and put together shittily.
Okay, so we're gonna rephrase that. What happened is the stair in the big storm that we went through on the way down here broke, and it's been a bit of a pain in the bottom to put back together. It's causing him some anger, and we don't have the right tools, right, Ben? I think he fixed them. And now he's decided he's gonna go for a swim in New Zealand.
First swim in New Zealand.
Woo!
Gotta take the edge off. I think it's pretty cold. I think it's 15 degrees or something.
Really?
Yeah.
That's bloody cold. Are you sure you want to do this?
Oh yeah.
Ben? How is it?
It's not too bad.
You didn't scream.
It's definitely not numbing. It is very cold. No wonder the fridges are working so well.
There's a funny little bird here, and I was wondering, is it a kiwi bird?
Kiwi bird escaped. No dinner tonight.
There's trees here.
We haven't seen land in
6.5 days.
Man, I don't know what's going on, but I'm a little out of shape maybe.
I think our legs have atrophied in the last week.
This so reminds us of Canada.
But like a slightly warmer version, maybe.
Yeah, it's a bit warmer here. But I think tonight the fog's gonna roll in, which is super cool.
It's a gorgeous day here. It's like 20 degrees warmer once you get off the boat and out of the wind. We're off for a hike. We're gonna hike around Urupukapuka. I had to read it off the side. We're not sure how long it'll take. And it should be a good walk. Hopefully there's a lot of scenic views and it's pretty beautiful here.
New Zealand's cool during the day. During night, it's a little cool. Cold, cool.
It looks about 20 degrees warmer than it is. It's outrageously cold during the night here. It was 10 degrees last night, Celsius. Bay of Islands is awesome. A lot of these islands have little tracks on them. They call them tracks.
there's sheep in New Zealand. Can you believe it?
We've been here a week and it's our first sheep we've ever seen. It's crazy. Well, there's certainly more sheep than people on this island.
Maybe we should make some sheep stew tonight.
Probably outnumbered people here, but I've never, like, this is our first batch. I want some slippers from the wool.
This is like sheep heaven. There's sheep everywhere. It's crazy.
Bah! Bah!
What's going on?
Look at how they chew. It goes around in circles. I can't even do it. It'd break our jaws. Gosh, they're funny, aren't they? It's a little guy. So cute.
Hey.
I want some slippers from your fur, man. Over here. Oh yeah, come on, right. Stick your head out there again. You want some water? Oh geez. You want water?
We are halfway? Halfway, I think.
Oh, who knows?
Oh jeez.
Don't fall down.
We're going out there somewhere. Which way did I go? That way? No.
We're going to Cape Brett, is the point. It's right there. There's a lighthouse. The toenails are kind of like half on, half off from the Mount Rotui hike. And the other day I like tripped on a stair and I like ripped it off. You blur it out when it's on the film. The Ben broke the stair and then I climbed up the stair that was broken. And then I fell, somehow I tore my toenail off. It's not attached anymore, it came out by the roots. That one is being super glued back on while it grows back. It's about to there. And now I've got this one. What the hell? I'm worried I'm never gonna have another toenail ever again. Do you think they grow back? They grow back when they're falling out, but do they grow back when you tear them out by the roots?
Put this in the system.
Oh, just scops. My toenail polish is a disaster too. I was gonna do it on Passage, but on Passage it was too rough. New Zealand wine. Anyway, it's gross. Check it out, it's super disgusting. So I'll put another Band-Aid on.
I'm videoing.
Oh, you're videoing? How am I supposed to know? It doesn't say video. Here we are at beautiful Cape Brett, and it is like the most scenic lighthouse I think I've ever been to. So this is it. We are heading to the boatyard. It is the last time I'll pull up the anchor in 2017. Kind of awesome season, right?
Yeah, it was awesome.
Incredible. We've gone so far.
We've crossed the Pacific. We crossed, I don't know, oh, the Panama Canal. We crossed the Caribbean all in 1 year. Can you believe it?
No, I can't believe it. And I can't believe we're hauling. And 2017 is going to be over before we know it. And it's been a freaking wicked year. Like, it's outrageous.
Let me check this recording.
stressed there, babe?
No, I'm not stressed.
Oh, you seemed a little stressed there. He let me drive into the slip and he didn't think that was maybe a good idea. We're just coming in to the slipway here at North San Marino where we're gonna be hauling out.
Let it come my way a little bit. Yeah, it's recording. Awesome.
I did turn it on.
Let's make 2018 the year.
Woo!
Yes, where's our car?
It's right here. I gotta go down another foot or two, I think.